Mihango ya mbunge ya kaunti ya Machakos ni yambire kurugama thutha wa gicanjama kwiyumiria kuria bare tuthukire gatagati ka MCA na amwe matigwo na nguraro. Aria magurarire ni hamwe na muhiuria wa mucarisha mbunge-ini ino niwe Lucky Nzau na uria uhanyukire thibitari kumana na nguraro njuru iria uma nacio, mutongoria wa aringi mbunge-ini ino Nicholas Nzioka na munini wa Speaker Stephen Mwathi. No inde speaker wa bunge no neheririo na ihenya riria bare no tuthukire na kuhingirwo wabici-ini yake ni maafitha a ugitiri.
Kulikuwa na commotion kidogo kwa sababu one thing hajakubali house business kufanyika venye inastahili. Alitaka kuweka vitu zingine zenye members walisikia hazifai. So kulikuwa na commotion kidogo, sijui ameenda hapi akatoka akaenda, sisi tukabaki hapo washimu.
The speaker is refusing to leave the office. So when she came in, there was a commotion of some few MCAs, and some of them from the opposition side, they tried to arm the deputy speaker, the majority leader, and the majority whip. And we want to condemn that totally. It is undoing, it is a bad thing, it is uncouth, it is unkind.
Maya meyumiritie ciumia nini tu thutha wa igoti guteanira igeria ria mbere ria MCA ya kuhagura speaker uyu kuria maigiriire igeria ringi makimukuruhania na gucokio kwa mbeca imwe kuri bengi ya kibururi, makiuga niwe waregire mbeca ici irutithio wira ungi ta wa kurikiriria gwakwo kwa bunge ya kaunti ino na uria wambite kurugama.
Mheshimiwa, kuna mheshimiwa ameona budget ya bunge hata siku moja tangu ingie 2.5 years later, and the law requires the speaker as the chair of service board to be providing yearly reports, account assembly service board reports. Kwa hivyo hakuna mheshimiwa anaweza kuambia ni pesa ngapi imetumika kwa hii assembly. Hakuna mheshimiwa anaweza kuambia ni nini linafanyikanga hapa. Unasikianga tu tukae na tumekaa na tunakaa. So there are so many things that we are asking ourselves. Tunakaa juzi tumeona promotion yetu, tumeona alilipia mtoto wake air ticket kwenda ngambo, and she got clearance from devolution.
Huyu mama amekuwa akirudisha pesa za bajeti back to the Ministry of Treasury na hawezi ziweka kwa maendeleo.
Bare ino ni hotire kuhorerio ni maafitha a ugitiri aria mauma mbunge-ini ino, ona gutuika ni mauma na ihinda iritu kugeria kuhoreria MCA aya aria mauma na matoko ya makiuga speaker uyu no nginya atige wira.
She should leave the office. She is incompetent. She cannot allow members to fight. There should be law and order in this bunge, but she can allow members to fight, and for us that is bad. She should leave the office.
Ona thengia wa maya kwiyumiria MCA zamwe no manyitiriire ati ani no nginya ahagurwo, aria angi makiuga megwika maundu mothe niguo gutigirira ni ndanahagurwo.
It is unkind. That is so bad when we are seeing it from the speaker, Anne Kirusi. That is why we are saying she should leave the office. She is incompetent. She cannot allow members to fight. There should be law and order in this bunge, but she can allow members to fight, and for us that is bad. She should leave the office. Igeria ritu ria kwaraniria na speaker uyu niriringire ihiga kuona umarungu rwa ugitiri munene niguo kumugitira kumana na mororo ma MCA aya. Giribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Nduta wa Buthia.